Welcome to another delicious recipe from the Saraswat Kitchen.
For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
We need fine rava, 2 cups, butter, half cup, sugar, 1 cup, curd, half cup, milk, as required. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt to rava. Add sugar, curd, and butter. Mix the ingredients using a spatula or spoon. Break all the lumps. Add milk and mix the batter. Turn it well for good aeration. Let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Grease the pan with butter and dust it with wheat flour. After 15 minutes, add cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon, baking soda, half a teaspoon, baking powder, half a teaspoon. Add milk if the batter seems thick. Mix the batter well. Add batter to the pan. Spread it evenly. Tap the pan to remove air pockets. Preheat the oven. I am baking the cake in an electric oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, try this delicious recipe and tell me how you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. To watch more delicious recipes, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.